Hey there! Want to learn design from scratch and you're unsure where to start? Why not start with the definition of it? The most common misconception that people have is that design is how it looks. Unfortunately, it's quite the opposite. Design is explaining or showing how something works. If you want to do photo manipulation, Photoshop is a powerful tool, but any good tool has a price. GIMP, on the other hand, is the free alternative to Photoshop if you don't have the budget for it or if you want to explore first. If you're an artist, you could try Adobe's Illustrator or Affinity Designer. But what we're really interested in looking for is actually modern product design tools such as Sketch, InVisionApp, Figma, or Adobe XD. Let's take a look at what they have to offer. In terms of licenses, out of all four, Sketch is the only one which doesn't have a free plan. Although paying just $99 per year isn't that much, I would personally prefer to test it with a free plan for individuals. Depending on the operating system you have, you might not be able to use Sketch as it's supported only by Mac. XD and InVisionApp work both on Mac and Windows. Figma is a cloud-based service, meaning you can access it from any browser. It's important to collaborate with your team members, and some of the tools have an impressive real-time collaboration feature. XD and Figma can do a great job on that, while Sketch is a little bit behind the schedule with its collaboration in beta mode. InVision doesn't have any collaboration features. Another must-have feature is how you can share your work with developers. All tools have handoff features. So what tool should I use? You should use the tool that you're most comfortable with. Considering what those tools can offer and based on my needs, my personal choice is, in this case, Adobe XD. I'm Robert and I hope you enjoyed this video.